Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to find Landbank account number. If you're looking to find your bank account number of Landbank so you can share it and you couldn't find it. So in this video, I'll show you how you can find it. So first you have to make sure you have the Landbank app. If so, then you have to simply click onto its icon to open it. Once it gets open, basically in the app we don't have any option through which you will be able to find your bank account number, but there is a small solution through which you will be easily able to find it, which is that you have to simply get your bank statement. So for that reason, you can just simply mail your bank or you can contact them. Through that, you will be able to get your statement, and within your statement, you will find your bank account number. The second thing is that you can find it in your checkbook. So if you want your bank statement, then you have to click on this contact us option and you will find these numbers and an email address. Through these you can contact them and ask for your statement, and if you get your statement there you will find your contact number, or you can say your bank account number. So basically if you have your statement and still you don't know how you can find it, so here's a sample. You can see here, whenever you open your bank statement, on the right side you will see your account. If you have a saving or whatever account you have, you will see the number along with that. This is your bank account number. You can just simply copy it and you can share it. If you have a checkbook, on your checkbook your bank account number will be there. From these options you will be able to find your bank account number. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.